Hello, today I want to share with you this Lavender Violets acrylic nail dip powder kit. But first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent it to me in exchange for sharing with y'all my thoughts on it. I actually do my nails a lot at home. At the moment they are not done, but I do use powder kits. I actually had some extra sample sticks here at home, and so I was able to go through and put all of the different powders on there so we can see their true colors. But first I want to show you everything that this kit comes with. So there are 16 different powders in here, and then there's a whole bundle of liquids right here, like the base, the activator, the top coat, and then the brush saver. It also comes with a little mini nail filer, cute, a brush, like to brush the powders off when you're doing it. Clearly, I have used this one. It's fantastic. We all know that powders, though they may look like this, do not look like this when they're finished. I'm going to move this camera around and show y'all with the jars and the finished products. As you can see, this one is mulberry. This one is light sangria. Very, very different how those colors can turn out. This one is Bistre. I honestly feel like I'm butchering that name, but there you go. Barn Red. This is a very beautiful red. It looks more orange, but it's a very vibrant red. Tuscan Red. This makes me think of it's very like dusty rose. Beautiful. Here we have Copper Rose. This is a very grayish color, like a beige and a grayish. That's what this looks like. Silver Slate. This is my 4-year-old daughter's favorite. She loves all the shimmer that this one has. It's a really solid, glittery color. Here we have Marigold. This is a beautiful yellow. It's kind of pale, kind of pastel, but then there's some brightness to it. It actually kind of reminds me of my old alma mater growing up in high school. This was like the yellow for my old school. Here we have Tiger Orange. It is a yellow. It's a little bit see-through, as you can see with my finger, and it's got some big chunky glitter in it. Some nice medium weight chunky glitter in it, if you will. Here we have Golden Yellow. This is a yellowy orange. It's light, it's also see-through, and there are just some little tiny specks of glitter in this one. Here we have Dark Scarlet. This might be my favorite of all the colors in this collection. I just love this red, this dusty, dark rose red color, like it's scarlet, if you will. I just think it's beautiful. Camouflage Green. This one's fun. It is. It has this deep green color, but still kind of light. It has some kind of creaminess to it, if you will. But yep, Camouflage Green. Next we have Deep Orange, and this is a pretty vibrant orange. Like this is like a solid orange, like a very traditional orange. This is it. Burgundy. This reminds me of the Dark Scarlet, but there is chunks of glitter in this. It has a good amount. I did the dip powder process twice on all of these colors, and this is the amount of chunky glitter that comes with this burgundy. Next is Dark Goldenrod. This is I find this kind of a pretty color, but I know it may not be everyone's thing. It's like a smoky mustard yellow color. This goldenrod, dark goldenrod. And then lastly, we have Moss. This is a kind of a pastel, kind of smoky green color with some like yellow undertones. But yeah, there you have it.